Okay, so I got the new winch bracket mount thingy system, a jigger bobster, whatever you want to call it. I got it all good hooked up. Drilled a hole there and there, and then I bolted onto a piece of 2x6, and then a bolt there, and then the back, and the same on that side. And we got a couple inches of snow. Yesterday there was about 8 inches. We had that storm, but the snow was really heavy. Losing my voice, sorry. This snow's heavy too. That'll be good. All done. Just need to put my gloves on. I'll show you. Right where I plowed. That's my phone. Hold on, I need to move the truck. Door's a little squeaky. Needs oil. Everything's put away in the shed. I cleaned it up too. Well, at least the truck's nice and warm. Alright, now I'll show you. I still need to shovel, and it's still coming down pretty good. All that. I push some here, and I push it in there. And I start from right there. And I push it down. Well, you guys saw. I pushed a pile there. Good sized pile. And yeah, that's about it. I dug this out the one day. It's about 5 feet tall. It's pretty high. Last year, this pile right there was as high as this tree limb. So that's a good sized pile we had going on last year. Need to take the garbage cans in. And that's it of this vid. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Okay, bye.